Hello and Happy New Year. My name is Chris and I'm back on Learn British English Free for some more free lessons this year. Thank you for joining me. We're going to start where we finished last year with some pronunciation practice. I have many words which are similar in sound but have small differences, and in this lesson I'm going to help you practice get them correct. Please use captions, subtitles if you want on the screen, and read the text below the video to help you. First word is wear. To wear clothes. Next, the past simple. Wear in the past is wore. Yesterday, I wore these clothes. Next, past participle. Remember, it goes after have in the perfect tenses. I've worn this shirt 3 times before. Worn. Worn. Next, we have the big fight, the battle, war. It's the same sound as the past tense. War, war. W-A-R. War. Were. Were. They were late to the party. The past simple conjugation of be. And finally, a different word with the same sound as the first word, to wear clothes. This time, where. Where are they? Where are you? Where? In order to practice these and get better, please join me in the practice sentences in the bottom of the notes. Let's try them. Number 1. Where were the things you wore? The second time I'll be quicker. Where were the things you wore? 2. I wear what I wore and always have worn. I wear what I wore and always have worn. The wary women wear the worn clothes to war. The wary women wear the worn clothes to war. The sentences were silly, but I hope they helped you improve your pronunciation. Thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure for you to, it's been nice of you to join me for this first lesson of 2018. I will be back with some more free ones in the future, so please do subscribe to Learn British English Free on YouTube. Join us on Facebook, the British English page, on Instagram, and on the website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. You can also contact me, Chris, for private lessons. There is information on the website, and you can email me cjworkman17@yahoo.com. That email and my Skype address are in the description. Please look on YouTube for that. And I will see you soon for the various new lessons. Thank you. Take care.